If you need a quick and easy snack that doesn't take a lot of time, I've got just a recipe for you, and let me show you how to make it. To make the filling, add in 8 ounces of full-fat cream cheese to a mixing bowl. Add in a 1/4 cup of full-fat sour cream and fluff it up using a hand mixer. Add in 2 tablespoons of everything bagel seasoning and continue mixing until it's well combined. Then fill each of the mini peppers and sprinkle more everything bagel seasoning over the top, and it's ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm Julianne with Keto Cooking Christian, and you saw how quick and easy that was to make, right? These little stuffed peppers, they are just so fun and fresh and nice and crisp. They're perfect for game day parties, get-togethers, and you don't even have to be on a low-carb diet to enjoy them. And you can also use the same stuffing with other things. So I have, just to show you, I have a little celery stick, and I have one of those little Persian cucumbers that I've scooped the seeds out. And you can also fill these as well. Let me show you. And they'll be just as good as the peppers. And then I always like to sprinkle a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning over the top just to give it a little extra flavor. And we'll do the same with the celery. Some people really love celery. I honestly don't love it. I much prefer cucumbers. In fact, these exact cucumbers is what I buy pretty much weekly, but celery is very popular, especially in the low-carb world, because it's such a nice, healthy snack. And there you have it. And there's other veggies that you can do this with as well. These are just some of my favorites. And I want to talk a little bit about, this is everything bagel seasoning. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a nice mixture of spices and poppy seeds. That's the black that you're seeing in there. And it's most popular with bagels. In fact, I have a couple of bagel recipes on my site that you can sprinkle them over the top right before you bake them. But you can use this mix, which I actually make my own mix, although you can buy store-bought, and it'd be even easier for you. But you can use this in so many different things. You can sprinkle them over vegetables or seafood or chicken, or use them over salads like a tuna salad or a chicken salad. You can even make a dip out of them, which I have done, and I'll link all these things for you down below so that you can go and check them out. But let's give this fun little appetizer a taste. Really, really good. Really good. The peppers are nice and fresh, and I buy the big bag of peppers. Comes with a ton of peppers in them. They're little mini peppers. You can also bake these, although not with this dip. I do actually have a chorizo stuffed pepper recipe that I can also link down below for you if you happen to like these little peppers. I think they're cute. They're the perfect size for snacking. Probably I would say out of all of these, the cucumber would be my favorite. There's something I just love about cucumbers. They're nice and fresh, and very refreshing, very hydrating. I do hope you give these a try. And if you do, let me know down below, and I will see you next time. And thanks for watching.